Okay guys, so I had to film this. I didn't plan on vlogging today, but I'm at Aldi's. We are about to get hit with like 18 to 24 inches of snow, so they say. So I come down east thinking I could find food. This Aldi's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's so packed. It's so busy. There's people coming in and out constantly, and yeah, it's crazy.
It's like
because
a whole blizzard here.
Usually this time of the day, like on a Friday, is not busy here. There's like 15 people here, but it's crazy. So we're going to try to go in here and get some just kind of junk food, is what I'm kind of going for, because we may not have power. We can't really cook. Or don't want to have to fool with cooking a whole lot of stuff. So I'm going to make some chili, some soup, and some spaghetti, or I've got stuff for those for meals. And then I'm going to kind of do lots of fruit, vegetable, lots of fruit type things, and lots of junk food, snack food. So this is definitely not a typical Aldi's trip for me. I don't know if I'm going to film in there though, because there's so many people, but I just wanted to put this in my vlog as far as snow prepping. This is definitely part of it. This is going to be an experience for sure.
I'm scared.
Alright, you guys ready to go get some snow food?
Snow food?
Yeah.
They don't make snow food, it's bread.
Bread and milk.
No.
You're excited about the snow?
Yeah. I'm ready for it. I'm here.
Yeah. We're going to get some snacks. So far it doesn't look too bad. Definitely a staple here for being snowed in. So these are new. I've not seen them. Of course I don't buy stuff like this a whole lot, but these are our favorite. They're so yummy. Okay, so I figured I'd give you a shot of the bread. So they've got plenty of cakes and all of this kind of stuff, but there's no bread at all. My husband really likes this, so I'm going to get him some of this because he's a fireman and he's going to be busy and trying to run calls and everything, save the world. So I'm going to get him some of those. No.
Oh,
okay, so I got these for the kids if they want a sandwich or they like to snack on these, and I got some sourdough bread. I have to go home and bake some white bread. I don't know. Can't go wrong with $2.99 oranges, especially during cold season. I'm also going to get some apples. These Honey Crisps are $1.99. The other ones are a little more, like $2.99. Seems like it might be. Yeah, the Honey Crisps are definitely cheap. They have plenty of milk, just not bread. So, not snow related, but I am going to get Cora some of this unsweetened organic almond milk to try. Definitely got to stock up on my coffee creamer. Lots of coffee drinking happening when they're snowed in. We can get some yogurt.
I want blueberry.
We'll get it. Right here. Okay, so we're doing some sour cream because we're doing chili. Get me a thing of cream cheese, just one. We really need butter. Just one. We really do need butter. But I'm afraid to buy it. Go ahead and get one butter. We need cheese for our soup. Chili. Here. Chili, and then we'll need some for spaghetti. No.
What was that?
Oh no.
I know where you can have one.
Rice is always a good thing to have. Go ahead and get one of those because it's obviously non-perishable and you can use it for so many different things. Mixed berry is all these berries.
No, that kind.
Strawberry?
Yeah, strawberry. I love strawberry.
Mason, what kind do you like?
I think that's
Apple? So the last thing that I got was 2 packs of water. So I think I'm almost done. I don't have anything on my list that I need to get, but as you can hear, every one of my children has to talk at the same time. So I'm trying to think and make sure that I got everything that I need. Yeah. That might actually be pretty good. Oh, it's coconut. Never mind.
It's what?
So all the lines are open. That's odd for Aldi. Everybody knows that. Here's all the stuff I forgot. I completely missed an entire aisle of all the canned stuff. So I got some diced tomatoes, some tomato paste, some refried beans because that's really easy to make some bean and rice burritos, honey buns, Swiss rolls, these organic cheddar puffs for Cora, regular chips, egg noodles, macaroni. Love this macaroni. Chips. Basically junk food. Oh my gosh, guys, so we did it. Completely forgot. It's ice because it's going to get slick. Completely forgot an entire aisle. So me and Riley had to run back and get more stuff in. But we got it. We got it all.
You have to shop again.
Yeah, we basically filled a box. So let's go load it. Okay, guys, that was insane. I said to the cashier, I said, there's one thing you definitely have plenty of that you normally don't, and that's boxes. And she said they couldn't pull them off the shelf quick enough. So if you are in the South, if you're in Western North Carolina, or even like Virginia, Tennessee, Georgia, South Carolina, you are definitely going to get some of this snow. So, or even like eastern, towards the east of North Carolina. So you're going to get snow. So you're prepping like me. But anyway, it's just been crazy. I think I showed you everything that I got. I will try to film when I get home quickly and see what we got. But we do have a homeschool Christmas party tonight. So I've got a ham in the crock pot for it, and I've got to do some green beans in my Instant Pot. So yeah, we're gonna get ready for that. It's already 3:30 and we got to be there at 5:30. So we'll see.